Welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll continue our series part 7 of the video. So without wasting any time, let's move to the first question. Which of the following is not an affiliate of Reserve Bank of India? So first let's understand what is an affiliate. When a parent company holds minority stake, which means less than 50% shares of a company, then the company is known as affiliate of the parent company. So here, except IDBI, all the three banks are the affiliates of RBI. So the answer is option number B, IDBI Bank or Industrial Development Bank of India. And the IDBI Bank is headquartered in Mumbai and the MD and CEO of IDBI is Rakesh Sharma. And current Governor General of RBI is Shaktikant Das. A pendulum clock will run faster at which one of the following places than others? The answer is option number B, seashore. And at higher altitude it runs slower. Which is used as magnifying glass? The answer is option number C, convex lens, because convex lens used to make an object appear much larger than what it actually is. Which of the following is a vector quantity? The answer is option number B, momentum. We know that momentum is a product of mass and velocity. Mass is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. So the product of scalar and vector is a vector quantity. So the answer is option number B, momentum. The term hydroponics is used to describe. The answer is option number B, cultivation of plants in water. Mica is used in an electric iron because it is a. The answer is option number B, bad conductor of electricity. It's a bad conductor of heat also, but in electric iron the requirement is bad conductor of electricity. So the answer is option number B. Which are the reagents used to show the presence of protein in foodstuffs? The answer is option number D, nitric acid and ammonium hydroxide. At what stage of the cell division does synapsis takes place? The answer is option number A, zygote. So synapsis is a fusion of chromosome pairs. So during meiosis, what happens is it reduces the chromosome number by half from 46 to 23 to form the sperm and egg cells. When the sperm and egg cells unite at the conception, each contributes 23 number of chromosomes so that the resulting embryo will have 46 chromosomes. So the prophase 1 is the first stage of meiosis. And this prophase 1 is explained by 5 stages: leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and diakinesis. Just remember that there are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. During mitosis, a cell duplicates all of its contents, including its chromosomes, and splits to form two identical daughter cells. But in meiosis, what happens? So meiosis is a type of cell division that creates egg and sperm cells. A form of heart disease in which blood supply to the heart is inadequate is known as. The answer is option number C, angina. Charles Corey has distinguished himself in which of the following fields? The answer is option number D, architecture. So he was an Indian architect and he was born in Secunderabad. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of. The answer is option number B, literature and journalism. The name of the mascot for 1996 Olympics held at Atlanta was. So what is a mascot and how it is related to the Olympics? The Olympic mascots are the fictional characters, usually an animal which is native to the area where the Olympic is taking place, or human figures who represent the cultural heritage of the place where the Olympic is taking place. So in 1996, the Olympic mascot was Whatjit and it's a toy. India from Curzon to Nehru and after was written by. The answer is option number B, Durga Das. The first Asian Secretary General of UNO or United Nations Organization was. The answer is option number B, U Thant. And this United Nations is headquartered in New York and the current Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. The controversial film Oh Darling Ye Hai India was directed by. The answer is option number C, Ketan Mehta. Diamond is an allotropic form of. The answer is option number B, carbon. Hariprasad Chaurasia is a renowned player of. The answer is option number C, flute. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2019? The answer is option number A, 82. So the previous year the rank was 81 and now it was declined to 82. Recently, Indian Army's biggest mountain combat exercise, Him Vijay, held in which state? The answer is option number D, Arunachal Pradesh. And the current CM of Arunachal Pradesh is Pema Khendu and the current governor is B.D. Misra. Name the Indian player who ranked second in the International Cricket Council Men's Test All-Rounder list on 7th October 2019. The answer is option number A, Ravindra Jadeja. Which bank has launched debit card EMI facility for its existing customers? The answer is option number B, SBI or State Bank of India. So there are 3 MDs of State Bank of India: Dinesh Khara, Arijit Basu and Challa Srinivasulu Sethi or CS Sethi. And the current chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Who inaugurated the India's first garbage cafe recently? The answer is option number C, T.S. Singh Deo, and it was opened in Chhattisgarh. And the current CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and current governor is Anusuya Uiki. Badokyam, famous folk dance of which Indian states? The answer is option number C, Arunachal Pradesh. And the static facts of Arunachal Pradesh has been already discussed earlier. Which of the following states in India has the largest area under forests? The answer is option number B, Madhya Pradesh. The largest river delta of India is of. The answer is option number C, Ganga. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.